This is a great way to clean small parts. It's a tumbler, and it uses these resin cleaning beads, and then I put a little bit of degreasing cleaner in it with it. And the only bad part is you gotta dig through and get all the parts, but it really cleans them up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull them all out of here, and then I'll rinse them out, and we'll see what we got. These are the parts on my brake and seal job that I'm doing on the 43 Willys. So after rinsing, this is how they come out. There's an A-bolt. But this was just a small batch I did overnight. I put it in before I left for the night, and then just let it run all night until this morning. And this is what the little beads look like that do the cleaning, that and then the fluid that I use, the degreaser. And now I'm just going to put them out here to kind of dry, and then I'll sort them. These can use a little finishing up in the sandblast cabinet, but you don't have to deal with greasy bolts. And salvage all, as many as I can, but put them back on so I don't have to buy new bolts.